In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect multiple domains to one Namecheap web hosting account, step by step. This is really useful if you own more than one domain and want to host them all in the same place without buying separate hosting plans for each one. You can use this setup for different websites, landing pages, or project domains, and it helps keep everything organized in one hosting dashboard. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the domain list section. This is where all of your registered domains will be listed. Find the domain you want to connect to your hosting account, then click Manage next to it. This takes you into the domain settings where you can control how that domain is pointed. Now, under Nameservers, you need to select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. This is an important step because it tells your domain to use your Namecheap hosting account instead of a different provider's DNS settings. After selecting that option, click the green check mark to save your changes. Once you do that, the domain will begin pointing toward your hosting setup. Next, go to Hosting List inside your Namecheap account. Here you'll see the hosting plan that you want to use for your domains. Click Go to cPanel for the hosting plan you're working with. This will open your hosting control panel where you can manage files, domains, databases, and site settings. Inside cPanel, look for the domain section and open it. This is where you can add new domains to the same hosting account. Click Create a new domain to begin the process. A field will appear where you can enter the additional domain name you want to connect. Type in the domain name carefully, making sure it's spelled exactly right. If you want this domain to have its own separate website folder, then uncheck Share Document Root with the main domain. This is the best option when you want each domain to point to a different website or a different set of files. If you leave it checked, the new domain may share the same folder as your main domain, which is only useful if you want both domains to show the same content. After that, check the document root field and make sure it points to a separate directory. This helps keep your files organized and prevents confusion later when you upload content for each domain. For example, each domain can have its own folder inside your hosting account, so you can manage them independently. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. The panel will add the domain to your hosting account and create the folder structure you selected. After that, repeat these same steps for each additional domain you want to connect. Just go back, add the next domain, confirm the document root settings, and submit again. And that's it. You've now connected multiple domains to one Namecheap web hosting account. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time and money if you manage more than one website. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.